Job sheets are your digital connection to the shop floor. Eliminate paper travelers that quickly gets outdated when a customer wants a change, or left behind when the parts move from one work cell to another. Fusion Production allows an easy data flow on the factory floor. Push knowledge from the CAM software to the CNC operators and include visual attachments such as CAD files, part drawings, setup sheets, and NC programs. All this can be accessed and controlled by any web browser or Android device. This is a more effective change management, letting you change orders on the fly, and you will know exactly where a job is in the process when the customer calls. Personnel on the shop floor can move jobs along by simply scanning a QR code and pass valuable information back into the system. This reduces the chance of errors in comparison to handwritten notes. This also means that any issues on the shop floor can be communicated quickly to management. You can scan QR codes to keep track of assigned jobs and their associated tasks for each workstation. If a workstation is suddenly free, or in case of an unexpected machine downtime, you can relocate tasks to other workstations. Digital Job Sheets allows you to update, modify, and assure information is available to everyone with a click of a button.